what's up, y'all? Just chilling over here on the couch, waiting for another day to pass by. No, but as you can see, my hair is hella messy. And man, those of you guys out there with long hair, man, I don't know how you do it. Today I was sweating hella bad. Like, it wasn't even that hot in the apartment. I just have it on auto, so it was like 78 degrees. But I was sweating, man. Maybe it's just because I'm fat. And, I know I'm fat. You don't have to make fun of me. But, and I think the other part was because my hair, man. It's just, I know when I cut my hair really short, it makes me cooler, but. Alright, what's up, yo? YouTube.
You.
Say hi, babe.
Hi.
That was like, hi. My name is Lau. Hi. Anyways.
Wow.
On the way to the store, and it is almost midnight. Man, only us. It's almost 11 o'clock. Only us can go to the store this time to make dinner to eat. So by the time we actually make dinner and cook it, it's gonna be like 12:30, 1 o'clock in the morning. That's just the way we operate. Anyways, yeah, so geez, today totally unproductive day. Just stayed home, watched the kids, and did my normal routine. But anyways, just driving on the streets of Vegas. Alright, Joe, check this out. Check this out. Jiggle, wiggle, jiggle, jiggle, wiggle, jiggle, jiggle, wiggle, wiggle, jiggle, wiggle, wiggle. We're here in Wally, and of course, me. I don't have to do my hair. Shoot, I don't do my hair when I come to Walmart, that is. And why is that? Because it is Walmart. It's Walmart. And that's what I have to say is when you go to Walmart and you try to do yourself and you pretty much, choose an outfit, what you're going to wear. I laugh at people that get ready to go to Walmart. Shoot, if they'd let us, I'd come here in my underwear. But of course, that wouldn't be a pretty sight.
Orange for Jackson. Orange for Jackson and purple and mines.
So camera shy, man. Am I the only one that's like, I don't even care, man. I may not have like the Brad Pitt look, but shoot, I got the Samoan look. You know what I mean? Shoot. But anyways, alright.